How's it going, guys? I hope that you're keeping safe and well during this time. This is just a quick update on what Hoolr is doing to keep the wheels moving in the coaching world. And as we onboard more and more coaches, we need to be more accessible to you guys. So that's why we've just released a shiny new homepage for you guys. It's got a bit more information about the company, as well as relevant links to FAQs and contact information for any questions or queries you might have. I'll leave a link below in the comments for you to check it out. Let me know your thoughts. I also want to say a massive congratulations to all the coaches that are about to hit their 24-hour milestone of coaching on Hoolr. It's really great that we can be a part of this journey and help you to deliver during these strange times. Personal assistants and admin staff, we've listened to you and we are launching a wee dashboard that will allow you to log and schedule sessions on behalf of your coaches, really streamlining that process. I also want to remind you that Hoolr is totally free during this time to individual coaches, so if you know anybody that this could benefit right now, please share this video with them, tag them below, email it to them, do whatever, and we'll get them up to speed as quickly as possible and back delivering. Looking forward, we understand that the world of coaching is changing. The way that we deliver and manage it is never going to be the same again. So we want to be a part of this journey with you as the demand for coaching grows, as people start to get back to work and adjust to this new normal and these new environments. As always, remember to gently tap that reaction button for the LinkedIn algorithm. Stay safe, wash those hands, and let's keep coaching during COVID.